Good morning students. Today we will conduct an activity of class 6 science chapter 13 fun with magnet. In this activity we will learn about magnetic and non-magnetic substances. Students, as we know that magnet attracts only some substances, not all substances. So in this activity we will learn the materials which are attracted by the magnet and the materials which are not attracted by the magnet. For this activity we need a small magnet, pin, blade, small papers, eraser, balloon and pencil. So let us see how we will conduct this activity. First of all, we will attach the bar magnet with the help with a stick. We will also use eraser, balloon, small papers, blade, coin and pins. Then we will move this magnet over different materials and we will find out which materials are attracted by the magnet and which materials are not attracted by the magnet. First of all, let us see whether this pin is attracted by the magnet or not. As we can see that these pins are attracted by the magnet. Now let us see whether the coin is attracted by the magnet or not. As we can see that the coin is also attracted by the magnet. Now let us see whether this blade is attracted by the magnet or not. Students, as we can see that this blade is also attracted by the magnet. Students, these materials, blade, coins and pins which are attracted by the magnet are called magnetic substances. Now let us see whether these substances are attracted by the magnet or not. This is eraser. Now let us see whether this eraser is attracted by the magnet or not. As we can see that the eraser is not attracted by the magnet. Now let us see whether this balloon, which is made of rubber, is attracted by the magnet or not. As we can see that this balloon is not attracted by the magnet. Now let us see whether the papers are attracted by the magnet or not. As we can see that the papers are not attracted by the magnet. These substances which are not attracted by the magnet are called non-magnetic substances. So we will call these substances non-magnetic substances and we will call these substances as magnetic substances. Students, I hope that you have understood it clearly. Thank you.